this style by Navy Wings, the charity that does so much from so many organisations with which Navy Wings is associated. We have the one on the far side of the formation and the civilian one bringing up the rear. And of course 705 famed for providing the Sharks display team for so many seasons.
Yeah, we all want to be a member of the Sharks display team. I wasn't good enough. But we thoroughly enjoyed watching the network, especially on drones around the country.
And we do have a former Sharks team leader flying a number of slots today in the form of John Beattie, don't we? The route that you then took onwards from the Mark II Seeking. What were the other types you flew in your active service?
I flew a Mark V and Mark II Seeking, followed by the Gazelle helicopter, then the Gazelle before basically dragged over aviation.
So a very, very full tractorised world as Kinetic operated many Gazelles over the years, notably with the Empire Test Pilot School. The aircraft leader formation was the last Gazelle on their strength. The rotary wing fleet had bossed them down, having now transitioned on to, as I said, later became 847 Naval Air Squadron. Now one of the ex-Sharks Gazelles, taking an opposition to Terra 3. It was a very interesting innovation, the Fenestron tail, wasn't it, when it first came into use on the Gazelle?
It was. We all wanted about the efficiency of the design.
I can't remember what they're called, basically like the historic out-of-service stuff. It's not really support stuff, but they don't do anything with it.
Well, it's rather interesting that